Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up domain filter for Cudy AC1200. To do this, we'll need to open a configuration website. If you're not sure how to do it, I recommend to watch our previous video. Now open a settings, enter the advanced and scroll down for domain filter. It should be in the security right here. If you click on it, you'll be able to enable or disable it. Here's disable, and if you want to enable this option, you will need to choose between two different settings. We have allow all except listed, and if you choose this one, you'll add websites that will be blocked from visiting with this router. Or if you choose the second one, you'll be able to visit only website that you've added right here. And in this case, let's go for this one. And we can click on add, and here enter your domain that you want to block, and also you can adjust any comment for this blocking reason, and you can remove them by clicking on the delete button like this, and there's a way to add many different ones by clicking on add like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.